Creators Alliance versus Podia. Which platform is better? In this video, I'll be comparing Creators Alliance and Podia to help you choose the right platform for selling digital products. So, to get started, Podia is an all in one tool with solid course hosting, email marketing, and product sales features. It's designed for educators and digital entrepreneurs, but the pricing plans can be expensive. Creators Alliance offers similar tool but at a more affordable rate. It focuses more on giving creators control from pricing to ownership to branding. The dashboard is also more intuitive for beginners. If you're building a professional course business, Podia has the polish. But for creators who want flexibility and lower fees, Creators Alliance offers more freedom without sacrificing quality. However, here's an important thing to note. There is an ongoing controversy regarding Creators Alliance on whether it is a scam or it is legit, as some users reported that they cannot withdraw their money from this site. So, at the end of the day, all you have to do is to be careful on which platform you're going to use. And that is my review of Creators Alliance versus Podia.